Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy, coming to you again for another Monday educational moment. Today is going to be about sleep postures and a little bit about pillows. So there is no one size fits all. Oh great, go buy this pillow that's $100 and something. I have had patients buy every single pillow there is out there, and the little regular pillow was all they needed. But I just wanted to make a few recommendations, tell you about one pillow that's very common, and also just these are very general recommendations. Everybody is different. You're going to have to try different things. If you've got something that works for you, that's awesome. But if you are having neck pain, shoulder pain, something like that, these are just a few tips that are real generalized that may be able to help you if you try them. So the first thing is the 2-hump pillow. The Tempur-Pedic originally came out with it, but now there's a bunch of different versions. So it's got a big hump, a little hump and a big hump, and it's kind of in the middle. The wave pillow is what some people called it. So what that's for is for side sleepers is the big hump, and then the smaller hump is for back sleepers. So the idea is that if you're sleeping on your side, it goes one way, but then if you're a back sleeper, it goes the other way. The big thing with sleeping on your side is that this space from here to here should be taken up. There shouldn't be a lot of this closing down, clamping up, balling up type of thing going on if your pillow's too little. And again, if your pillow's too big, there shouldn't be a whole lot of this thing going on too. So the idea that with the 2-hump pillow is that you can be on that side and it perfectly takes up this space in this little roll here. Something that I tell my patients that they can kind of experiment around with their current pillow is to take a towel roll and put it in the bottom of the pillowcase. So I actually have that to demonstrate. So here's the towel. This is just kind of a thin little beach towel. I'm going to roll it pretty tight and then take it and put it in the bottom of the pillowcase. So like so, and then there's your hump to sleep on right there. Takes up that space very efficiently. So and the thing with that is you can fold that towel a bunch of different ways. You can try different towels. You may only need a little bitty hand towel that's just a really small roll, or you may need it firmer or softer, but you can experiment with that, with rolling that towel different ways. If you're a side sleeper and you are having shoulder problems, a lot of things is we ball up, our wrists end up in weird places, our arm ends up in weird places. So try hugging a pillow too if you're having trouble getting comfortable on your side. Another thing is a pillow between your knees is something that's recommended to kind of help the spine be in a more straight alignment. And then if you're a back sleeper and you're having trouble with back pain, the recommended thing is a pillow underneath the knees. Just try that, see how you like it. I think that's all I have for you today. I hope that if you are having trouble sleeping, you can make some of these adjustments to pillows and your sleeping positions. It is not recommended to sleep on your stomach from any research or literature because it just really torques the neck and the lumbar. If the mattress is not firm enough, the low back kind of gets a good bit of a dip and just a stiff place to be. But I am a stomach sleeper, so I just turn and kind of hug a pillow so that my neck isn't doing that crazy thing on the pillow that would happen if you are a true stomach sleeper. So recommended is on your back. Next is side sleeping, and then followed by being a stomach sleeper, they say isn't good for you. As far as literature is concerned, next week I'm going to go through bedtime routine and relaxation techniques. So try these few pillow things, or just keep these in mind for the future if you are struggling with sleeping. And then next week I'll go through some bedtime routine, just general research-based recommendations to help with more sound sleep and more quickly falling asleep. Y'all have a good Monday.